Hello, I want to introduce myself and short describing of my college. My name is Nur Alim Ma'mun. You can call me Alim. I am 23 years old. I live in Grogol, West Jakarta. And I live with my family. My hobby is reading. I am a technician at Acer Corporation. My job is resolving that customer problem about their device. Besides that, I am a student at Mercu Buana University. Mercu Buana University is the one of the best universities in Jakarta. You can find and approach my college on Jalan Jogloraya at Maria Selatan District. Mercu Buana University have several branches of campus. They are at Menteng, Keranggan, and Warung Buncit. Mercu Buana University have several facilities that helpful for everyone, like ATM center, library, parking area, sport area, garden, Manarul Amal Mosque, canteen, comfortable classroom, and any other. Mercu Buana University have several faculties. There are engineering, economy and business, science of communication, science of computer, psychology, design and creative arts. From that faculties, there are several majors. My major is broadcasting. I choose broadcasting because my vocational high school is multimedia. Besides that, I want to be a reporter. Okay, my friends, that is my introduction and short describing of my college. Thank you for watching this video and happy nice day. Bye.